Hi, Big Tractor Power fans. This video comes to you from a farm located in western Kentucky. I wanted to share with you the corn planting process on this farm. The big primary tillage tractor in this operation is a Case IH MX240 working with a Case International 496 disc and Unverferth Rolling Harrow that help work up the seedbed and smooth it out ahead of the planter. Planting corn on this farm is a Case 2594 tractor with a KINZE 3500 815 split row planter. This planter is putting 8 rows of 30-inch space corn in the ground and also can plant 15 rows of 15-inch space beans. Let's head out to the field now so that you can see and hear these big tractors at work. The Case IH MX240 MAGNUM tractor was manufactured in Racine, Wisconsin from 1999 through 2002. It's powered by an 8.3-liter, 504 cubic inch CDC diesel engine, rated at 340 engine horsepower and 205 PTO horsepower. The MX240 and larger MX270 were the first tractors on the market to offer dual wheels on the front axle direct from the factory. This tractor had an original list price of $130,000 when it was new. Case 2594 tractor was manufactured in Racine, Wisconsin from 1984 through 1987. It's powered by an 8.3-liter Case 504 cubic inch diesel engine, rated at 217 engine horsepower and 180 PTO horsepower. This tractor had an original list price of $65,000 when it was new. I hope you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field hearing and seeing these big row crop tractors hard at work on spring tillage and corn planting. I'd like to hear in the comment section below this video what tractors and implements you use in the spring to plant your crops. If you've enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you would like to see more corn planting content from the channel, continue to watch for a few more seconds to the end screen for a direct link to more Big Tractor Power YouTube. As always, thank you for watching.